Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your girl KK checking in with the ones and twos. I am here, y'all, on the red carpet, kind of really beside the red carpet, but I am here, okay? I'm at a movie premiere. All right, let's get it. A bitch look good, y'all. I do want to say that. If you were ever feeling doubty, just believe in yourself and put some lip gloss on, okay? Period. Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Miss Lakeisha, right?
Yes.
How you doing? I'm Christian. Thank you. You look nice today.
Thank you.
All right, I got a couple questions. What was your favorite part about filming this movie?
I was not filmed actually. I'm singing in it. So when
Okay.
you see the funeral scene, I will be singing at the funeral.
That's you. How long you been singing?
Oh gosh, mostly all my life. I started with Kirk Franklin and the Family, and then I did some acting with Tyler Perry. I did the lead role as Vi Ann, and I Can Do Battle by myself.
Oh, wow. Congrats to you.
Thank
And I
you.
heard you from Dallas.
I'm from Dallas, Texas, Oak Cliff.
So we keeping it in the family.
That's right.
That's what I'm talking about. Well, thank you so much. I cannot wait to hear those vocals.
Thank you.
Let's talk about the fashion tonight. I see a lot of great, beautiful ladies in all different type of colors, everything. I will be showing y'all that from the carpet. So be paying attention. But what I got on is some Forever 21 and some shoes from the 9.99 store. But baby, it looks good. We got more people coming in as we speak. It's a lot of people here, and I'm really liking the vibe so far. When I tell you everybody is really dressed up nice, and that's what I like to see. Okay. Hey, hey. Okay, the energy's coming. The energy's coming. Okay. Who is this energy?
Oh yeah, it's your girl Luscious Barbie. Another Dallas Texas check. Take me out on TikTok if you ain't heard another Dallas Texas check, baby. Get on. It's 6.6 million in the building. Do you hear me? But I'm here for the love of money. It's all the way down. It's Texas. It's Dallas. We rocking. Let's go.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Thank you.
I like her.
You caught my eye because you look good, and I'm
Thank
loving
you,
the
baby.
pink.
Thank you.
So who are you? What's your name?
My name is Kia Leani. I'm an artist out of Dallas, and I'm an actress.
Are you in the movie?
I'm not in this movie, but I'm in some projects that's coming out. We in on 10 with Man Robinson, with Vivica Fox, Clifton Powell, Darius McCrary. It's a whole bunch of people in there.
Okay. What's your Instagram stuff?
My Instagram is Kia Leani. That's KIALEIANI.
She is famous. Ain't she finna be in movies, singles coming out, all that?
Most definitely. And
Amen.
I already got music out right now. Singles, we streaming 200,000 plus right now. We going up. So yeah.
All right, if it's up, then it's up.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You have a blessed day, baby.
There we go. All right, so for the love of money, what's your favorite thing to spend money on?
Everything.
Everything?
Nails, clothes.
Okay, so the whole.
Yeah.
I like that. What was your favorite part about filming this movie?
I got to work with some really big stars, some legends. We got Keith Sweat, Lisa Ray, Timmy, Jason Mitchell, so DC Young Fly.
Personal experience. He's like, nah.
Originally in my head, I thought I was going to.
Let's talk. Hey, Jazzy, you look good. How you doing? I'm Christian. I got a couple questions for you. So, what was your favorite part about filming this movie?
Well, my favorite part, I think overall just the beautiful souls that I was able to shoot this with. I mean, everyone was just so fun to shoot this with, and I had a lot of fun just, doing my breakdown, understanding who she is, and overall just enjoying having fun doing what I love.
Okay, so for the love of money, what's your favorite things to spend your money on?
Well, in my future, right now I'm very one step at a time. But in the future, what I really want to spend my money on is just giving back to the people for sure. Just donating and helping kids in Africa and helping them eat and donating clothes and shoes that they can wear. Because God has blessed me with all of that, but I want to be able to give back to them. So
That is a wonderful answer. I really like that. Make me feel like you're a really good person. Yes. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, doll.
Can't wait to see it.
Yes, I can't wait. It's been good. For the love of money.
Amen. Thank you. All
Wait a
right.
minute, you gonna have to make it go up higher, dog.
Look, I can. You good
Oh,
now? You
all right.
good now?
But now you can't see me. I'm black.
Now you. Oh my gosh.
No,
Wait,
go ahead.
let's see your voice then. So, what was your favorite part about filming this movie?
My favorite part about filming this movie, going to work every day and getting a check. How
Okay,
about
because
that?
we getting back to it, right?
Yeah, most definitely.
So did you?
Melvin, take a picture with me right quick. It's my dad, everybody. Melvin Charles. Come on. Come on. Get in here.
So I got a singer and I got a female rap over here. What's your name?
I'm China Monet.
China Monet.
I'm Secret.
Okay, so you said a lot of good stuff. You said you feed the homeless.
Yes, I give back to the community.
No, he didn't. Okay.
Give back to the community. And my song is out on all platforms right now. It's called Look Back at It Monet. So make sure y'all go get that. I want y'all to that's China Monet. That's how you spell it, baby. Make sure y'all go get that.
Okay, what about you, Miss
Follow
Secret?
me on Instagram, Secret Music Life with a Y. I do all the jams. I even do cover tunes. I sit up here and I help around the community with this girl out here doing big things.
Okay, so what you doing for this Christmas and Thanksgiving since you say you get back to the community?
Oh yes, I will be. I'm doing a fundraiser, so make sure y'all tap in. Go follow me out on all platforms, trying to show no love. So I will be doing a fundraiser for y'all to donate Christmas presents. We will be giving it out, which I do every year. So make sure y'all tap in. And then once a month, I do go to every Sunday. Once a month, I go and feed the homeless. So be looking out for that, and y'all can participate in that.